Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to hide a story from a specific contact in Snapchat. This feature allows you to control who can view your stories and maintain your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat of the contact from whom you want to hide your story. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Privacy Settings, My Settings. Step 5. Next, disable the Story option. By doing so, you ensure that the selected contact will no longer be able to view your stories. By following these simple steps, you can hide your story from a specific contact in Snapchat and have better control over your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.